The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, unveiled in January 2025, redefines the flagship smartphone experience with a blend of cutting-edge technology and refined design. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO display with a 3200 by 1440 resolution, a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 2500 nits, ensuring stunning visuals in any lighting condition. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the S25 Ultra delivers unparalleled speed and efficiency, making it a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options reaching 1 TB, it caters to power users who demand top-tier performance and ample storage for their digital needs. The camera setup is a major highlight, boasting a 200MP primary sensor for exceptional detail, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom for distant shots, a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom for portrait photography, and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens for expansive landscapes. Samsung's advanced image processing and AI-enhanced features ensure excellent performance in both bright and low-light conditions, making the S25 Ultra a go-to device for photographers. Video capabilities include 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, offering professional-grade video quality. Battery life is another strong point, with a 5000 mAh capacity providing all-day usage. The S25 Ultra supports 45W wired charging, enabling a full charge in under an hour, alongside 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. Running on One UI 7, based on Android 15, it combines intuitive software with a host of new features, including enhanced customization options, improved multitasking capabilities, and a suite of productivity tools. With its sleek design, IP68 water and dust resistance, and the inclusion of the S Pen for note-taking and creativity, the Galaxy S25 Ultra caters to professionals, tech enthusiasts, and creatives alike. It represents the pinnacle of smartphone innovation in 2025, setting a new benchmark for the industry. Starting at $1,299, the S25 Ultra is a premium device that delivers exceptional value for its cutting-edge features and capabilities.